Now you are in Tenerife.
Yes.
How is the atmosphere in Iceland? So the
In the
dance
Canary.
atmosphere, because it's not like Europe, so you can go wherever. There you have to have a flight. And what is the advantage and the disadvantage?
It happened mostly that now in this few months, every weekend we was traveling to Barcelona or Madrid. From there we was having one more or two more flights to event, and the same way to go back. Maybe 17 hours in total.
Wow.
So
Just to go to Germany or just to go to France.
yeah, minimum 2 flights every time. And I think this is our first event when we came directly
Really?
from Tenerife.
In Munich.
Yeah.
We came direct, finally.
Yeah.